Hello YouTube, it's Krow, and here I have with me today the Build Strike Galaxy Cosmos. I've been waiting quite a bit for this kit. I know a lot of people really didn't like it. They didn't like the backpack in particular, but I really like it. I know it's pretty simplistic, but I just kind of like the little peacock effect, to be honest. So I was really excited to go ahead and pick this kit up. Actually, I didn't pick it up. My wife picked it up because I'm still not able to leave the base as of right now, but hopefully this weekend, and if not this weekend, then sometime next week I can go ahead and leave base and go to Hiroshima and Kobe, Osaka, everywhere else I really want to go, and start buying some more Gunpla goodness. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the unboxing of this kit. The first thing I really would like to talk about is the box art. I really love the box art. I think it looks really awesome. It kind of has a Red Warrior kind of pose. That's just the way it kind of looks to me, because I know it's kind of like very, Jesus ascending kind of pose. But it's a Sailor mobile suit. It's from the battle log, which I think was really good. I think it could have. I wish it would have been like a full-blown episode, or maybe like a two-part episode. But I think overall it was really nice. Really like the. I love to see Sailor back into the Build Fighter series and battling and everything. So it was really awesome to see him with a Build Strike suit and going out there and doing some awesome battles. So it is number 66 in the high grade Build Fighters line. And right here on the side of the box, it kind of just shows you the backpack. I do know the Galaxy booster is sold separately, but it does come in this kit, so it's not really a necessity to go ahead and buy another one unless you're really trying to customize another mobile suit. And then right to the right of it, you can see a little action pose. And here to the other side, you see pretty much in its pose on the front cover, does show like the little gimmick on the little clear piece on the shoulders that can rotate up and down, but I don't really see the significance and the importance of that. Maybe just to kind of help it when you're trying to pose it. And then to the right of that, you pretty much get another little pose of it kind of firing and the backpack being in a different kind of position. And to the right of that, you can go ahead and see those nice little effect parts that comes with the universal booster. If you want to go ahead and display it with it shooting its rifle and having those nice little effect parts, you're gonna have to buy that little backpack attachment, and it'll come with those effect parts. And here on the other side of the box, you get a front and rear shot. And you also get a little brief description of the Build Strike Galaxy Cosmos. Now this does retail for $1,800, but since the good lords of Gunpla brought me to the motherland, I was able to pick it up for $1,440. Not really bragging, but yeah, I'm bragging. So let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Okay, so here's runner A. This one's actually borrowing from the original Build Strike. Runner B, this is also borrowing from the Build Strike. Runner C, also the Build Strike. Runner D1, also the Build Strike. Runner E, also the Build Strike. Runner G, once again, the Build Strike. And then Runner I, this is actually the Star Build Strike, because as you can notice, it has a little stand, which definitely indicates that. And then the weapons is also what came with the Star Build Strike. Now for the new runners, you're going to get K2. This is pretty much going to be the shoulder pads. This is K1. Looks like some parts of the legs, the front chest, and the shield and head. That's all going to be different. Runner N, this is going to be the front chest. And then you have M1 and M2. These are going to be the clear parts that scatter throughout the kit. The next ones are going to be pretty much the backpack. This is L1 and then L2. You also get 2 polycap runners, 2 beam sabers, and a pretty large sticker sheet. And of course you get an instruction booklet, so that's kind of a given. And on the back of it is actually my favorite part of the instruction booklet, because it usually gives you some detailed information about the kit, the lore of the suit, the pilot, color guide, kind of references, and kind of gives you some other mobile suits that came in the same line. Well, that's it everyone. So once again, I do apologize that I'm not officially in my apartment. Come Monday, which is going to be in about 4 more days, I'll finally be in my apartment, and I'll have a nice little setup going for y'all, and I should have a regular schedule for actually posting uploads and doing any kind of live streams and everything else I really want to do. But until then, I'm gonna go ahead and build this over the weekend, since I'm still gonna be in the hotel. I should have it done and reviewed by the end of the weekend. So let me know what your thoughts are about this kit. If you really want to pick it up, or if it's really not your taste, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, guys, definitely keep on building, and I'll be seeing y'all in the future reviews. See you later. Bye.